Edge deployments today require configuring multiple hardware layers: the host, the network data plane, timing, and the radio. Each layer is usually handled manually, often by different specialists, and done one step at a time. It takes repeated engineering cycles, the knowledge lives in people's heads, and every site ends up being treated as a one off problem. We built Cosmic to solve problems exactly like this. Cosmic is a vendor agnostic execution plane for deploying, observing, and orchestrating complex hardware: GPUs, DPUs, accelerators, and timing systems. Edge is where this matters most. Multiple layers that all need to be configured correctly in sync with tight timing requirements. You can see with a single scan, I can visualize the entire network and access all the devices present. In a scanning process, we use SSH on host above the operating system level to access all these devices, but we are also using IPMI, Redfish, so that we can access these devices at the lowest of levels. We are compatible with JTAG, UART, so we are compatible with almost all type of devices, from a microcontroller, sensors, to a ASIC chip. You can then visualize the setup right here in the network topology to see exactly how this looks. Now, this is our Virginia Tech deployment, which was one of our first pilots. You can see that it is a edge site, a telecom edge site, with an L4 GPU, a Bluefield DPU, a Connect X6 NICs, a PTP Grandmaster, and a radio unit. What I'm going to do today is bring up a full ORAN deployment with a single command. And you can see here. So the agent first brings up a plan. This plan highlights the parallel execution that the agent will conduct once it's given the access to go through. So I'll click on proceed here. What it will do now is the host will be essentially tuned for real-time workloads. Network virtualization is going to be set up. The GPU runtime is being verified for acceleration. The DPU is being reconfigured for data plane offload. PTP timing is being aligned and validated. The radios are synchronizing and coming online. So essentially the whole ORAN stack is coming up, and it's already up. I showed the documents earlier. These are the document sections where people can upload all the documents went to the agent's work. The agent was set on the telecom mode, which is finely tuned in telecom work. And after it's done with its task, Cosmic conducted all these operations and captured it. The captured file went in the artifacts section here. Configuration files, rollback scripts, before and after snapshots, and a complete audit log. This site now can be reproduced consistently across deployments without relying on individual specialists and different people's knowledge bases and bringing them all together again and again. What you just saw normally takes multiple engineering cycles spread over days or weeks. Cosmic did it in about 90 seconds. And that's Cosmic for you all. Thank you.